What's in there?
Eggs.
What should we make him do?
Eggs.
Should we do an egg dance? You show me how you do it? Or are you going to measure them? Oh, you did a good job measuring them. Okay, are you ready? Is it time for an egg dance? Can you show me? You gotta pick them up. There we go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's a good egg dance. Hey, how does Dad do the egg dance? What does Dad do? Does he kick and spin? Show me. Show me what Dad does. Whoa. Whoa. All right. Are you done?